Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Total Window Service. In today's video we're going to talk about the commercial window cleaning. I am standing right now in the middle of Manhattan on the 50th floor. It's one of the roofs of the buildings that we are currently cleaning. So as you can see, we have a team already over the edge and cleaning some windows. It's a very high building, and we were doing a special preparation for this kind of work. It's not as we normally do. Usually the buildings are smaller, 10-15 floors. It's a little bit different when you're up high on the 50th floor. The feeling of the equipment, the feeling overall of the heights changing. That's why jobs like this require as good mental preparation in addition to all the setup and the equipment that we use. As long as weather is good, we are good, and we continue cleaning. So I'm going to show you a couple moments of the preparation for this drop. I'm going to show you the actual cleaning and how the guys are hanging out from the outside and cleaning windows. I am on a 50-story building. My guys already did the drop. I don't do it anymore, but this is the special moment. I just wanted to remind myself what it's like to feel when you go on a height like this and you do the drop. So I'm just gonna do a simple drop without cleaning the windows. I'm gonna get to my guys. I am gonna take a couple pictures for them, for myself, just to have it in the history, right? We are young and we have to do some crazy things like this. Okay guys, so I'm stopped. I'm not moving forward because my descender is getting too hot. Since I'm not cleaning windows, I am going pretty fast, and that's why I need to take a break, give it time to cool down, and I will move forward. I am probably halfway down, and well, we'll see. It's still a long way to go. I don't know, honestly my hand's a little bit shaky, so it's not as it used to be, right? I don't have that safety feeling anymore, but I'm still okay. It's fine, I do it, and I feel great. All right, so stay tuned, watch it. I cannot show you more videos of how I actually do the drop because I have to put my phone and continue going down. But just for experience, I just want to let you know that this is awesome feeling and awesome things to do. Okay, so I made a surprise to my guys. They didn't expect to see me here. Look, I'm almost down. Where is it? Okay. Oh yeah, we see Alex. He's about to drop from the terrace. He already finished the main drop, but he still has a piece. And Michael is over there right below me. Pulling up 600 feet of rope, it's not an easy task. In addition to that, it was tangled. Look, it's twisted over here so bad, and we had one set of ropes, both of them just twisted together, and we needed to pull it up to untangle it. For the experience, just try to move the ropes away one from another, and when you just dropping them down this way, it's not gonna tangle, because this is new ropes. They were coiled in a spool, and when you uncoil it, that twist, it's still in the rope until couple drops you do, and then eventually it's gonna be spins around a couple times and get to normal. guys, so let's do the thumbs up for these brave guys who one of them is already finishing his 50-story drop, which is gonna be a historical drop. Probably this is something that he's gonna be telling for all his life about adventures on his job as a window cleaner. And the 50-story drop on the ropes. This is something that not as common, or we don't do it often. Buildings like this, usually they are either cleaned with a scaffolding or by accessing from inside the building. It's not a case. Probably we could do it from inside because most of the windows are open, but the owners chose to do this way. It's just a lot easier to do it on the ropes versus getting into every single apartment, and there's probably thousands of them, and you need to advise every tenant, you need to go inside. It's a lot more complicated than doing it with using rope descent. This way we just need access to the roof, to some terraces, and that's it. And just all the tenants need to be advised that you're gonna see some guys hanging from the building cleaning your windows, so don't freak out. Have your privacy blinds down or whatever you need to do. All right, everyone, so our window cleaning adventure is over, and the guys are pulling up the ropes, and that's probably the hardest thing in all this work, to pull up 600 feet of rope. So it has been a week since we finished this project, and I just took my time and came over to check the final result of the building, because I didn't have time to actually be here when the project has been finished. So far we had a discussion with the client. Everybody's happy with the work we did, and I just wanted to show you the final result. So this is how it looks. Okay guys, stay tuned, watch my videos, like and subscribe for the brave guys and window cleaners. All right, we make this world cleaner.